Best Amazon Keyword Suggestion Tool. The Best Amazon Keyword Suggestion Tool helps sellers discover high traffic, low competition keywords that increase product visibility and boost sales. These tools generate keyword ideas based on real search behavior, helping you target phrases your customers are actively using to find products like yours. One of the most effective tools for this is Helium 10, which provides powerful keyword research features that go beyond simple suggestions. It uses advanced data to uncover trending search terms, related keywords, and long-tail opportunities that competitors might miss, giving sellers a clear edge in ranking and relevance. Many Amazon sellers rely on Helium 10 to refine their product listings, optimize ad campaigns, and identify the best performing keywords. Its ability to analyze search volume, relevancy, and competitiveness makes it a top choice for sellers looking to grow their reach and improve their SEO strategy. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you access to advanced keyword suggestion, research, and optimization tools that help you discover winning keywords and boost your Amazon success confidently.